Douglas Cooling and Heating, serving the Birmingham area for 38 years. 988-3706. That's Douglas.
I'm James Spann. It's the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Thursday, the 13th day of October. A little wet at times today, but boy, we've got another beautiful weekend coming up to talk about. Let's look at some of the Skycam shots around the network at 5 o'clock this morning. Start with the view coming from Cullman. A little foggy there. Low clouds, fog, some light rain up in Cullman County. There's a Birmingham Skycam. You can see low clouds hanging over the city as we look south from high atop the Daniel Building. And from Haleyville, the Alpha Skycam there showing dry conditions at the moment, but it will rain at times today. Nice looking trough rotating through here today. Got a negative tilt, but thank goodness there's not much instability, so we don't expect any severe weather. There's the radar at the insane hour of 5:02. Got one batch of showers passing through north and northeast Alabama, another over eastern Mississippi. Looks like a couple of lightning strikes in there, one around the Golden Triangle and a couple down to the southwest. And we could see some thunder, no doubt about that today, but severe weather not expected. That's the day one convective outlook. Just non-severe storms expected, and probably not many of them. There's the percentages, and the low-end 5% chance of severe weather runs from near Dothan and Tallahassee up to Chesapeake Bay. And the rain for the next 5 days. Not a lot. This is valid through Monday evening of next week at 7 o'clock, and this is looking at about a quarter to a half inch around here. And that would be today, because after today, things look dry through Monday of next week. In the tropics, still very quiet. Yeah, I guess starting to feel a bit more confident that maybe we'll make it through here without a major Gulf hurricane this year. That's a good thing. This is the OZGFS, valid at 7 o'clock local time this evening. Trough axis by then should be a little east of here, and down below that at 7 this evening. Still some evidence of showers in here, but yeah, let's go to that RPM for planning purposes. We'll start with 1 o'clock this afternoon. Model suggesting the bulk of the showers and storms should be across the northern half of the state. This is 6 o'clock this evening. The bulk of the showers should be along and east of I-65. And again, for the high school football games that are tonight, there could be a shower in East Alabama, maybe for the first half of the games in a few spots, but by 10 o'clock, everything's out of here. So second half in East Alabama should be dry. West Alabama, don't expect any showers tonight. Should be over by game time. All right, this is tomorrow evening at 7 o'clock. We are dry, nice, comfortable, delightful. Humidity values drop. Highs will be dropping into the 70s tomorrow. Both models are showing 76. Saturday starting off the weekend. Very nice day. Probably upper 70s. The GFS is 78. The NAM is warmer at 83. But again, the humidity will be low. We'll probably start the day in the upper 40s and low 50s. And Sunday afternoon should be a bit warmer. Good chance we'll see low 80s on Sunday. The GFS is showing 82. And Monday of next week, we're still dry. All right, Tuesday, here comes our high amplitude look. And again, the waves are not as intense as they were a few days ago on modeling, suggesting that, on Tuesday when the front comes through, strong storm should not be a problem, and the air would not be as cold as it could be following that. Let's look at the surface chart. Here's your front, kind of puny looking. The surface low is sub 1,000 millibar up there north of New England in Canada. And just a few showers in the trailing front, 540 line down to Indianapolis. And there's Wednesday. Again, notice how the western ridge really isn't pumped up in there, tapping that true polar air. And down below that, it would be noticeably cooler. That's some nice cool air advection on Wednesday. Highs will probably drop into the 60s, but again, not as cool as the look we saw a few days ago. And there's Thursday, and yeah, Thursday morning could be cold, but again, that would not suggest widespread frost on Thursday morning. That would suggest lows around 40 to 45. So if this trend keeps up, this would not be the first widespread frost of the season, and we are now within 7 days. All right, we'll check the end of the forecast. October 28th, getting awfully close to Halloween. Woo, buddy, this year's flying along. A little trough swinging east of here. That looks dry and pleasant and uneventful, just what you expect in October. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And if you are local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.